What are you eating?
Mommy, grapefruit. Grapefruit. Mango.
Mango, is it good?
Grapefruit. Yeah. Grapefruit.
Is it super yummy?
Yeah. Grapefruit. That grapefruit.
What are you eating? What is that, Julian?
It's mango, Mommy.
It is. Is it good?
I like it, Mom.
Is it good?
I like it, Mom. I like it. I like it.
Mmm, yummy.
Hi, Mommy. Hi. Hi, Mommy. Hi.
Hi. You gonna eat the whole
Hi,
bowl?
Mommy. Hi.
That was a big mango.
Grandma. Big willow.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I'll see you, Mommy.
Okay.